Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I will be reviewing Suzuki Bergman Street. So talking about the design, it looks mind-blowing and very attractive indeed. The color scheme on the Bergman is very beautiful. So talking about the front, here we have a windscreen that is not large enough. So here we get a piano black finish on front, Suzuki logo over here. So we get all LED headlights. As you can see, it gets a massive headlight at front. So here we get a side indicators, which is a bulb placement. So you can see here the sharp design of the Bergman looks pretty awesome. So here we get a combined brake system. Talking about the front tire, it gets a small disc brake. The disc size is very small. It gets 12-inch alloys at front and tire size happens to be 90-90-12, as you can see there. Talking about the side, the design looks very beautiful. As you can see, Suzuki Eco Performance SEP written over here and BS6 written right over here. So Bergman Street written over here. You can see this piano black finish is all over the side up till here. So here we get a huge grab rail which is again finished in black. Talking about the tail light, it is also LED setup. Here we get bulb for the indicator, Suzuki written over here. Here we also get a piano black finish, which is again a nice touch. So talking about the rear, here we get drum brakes. It gets 10-inch alloys and tire size happens to be 90/100 section. The rear tire size looks a bit small as comparing to the huge size of this scooter. Silencer also get this black treatment, piano black treatment. So to open the boot, you have to turn the key anti-clockwise, and here we go. So boot is large enough, as you can see. Here we get a fuel lid. It has a fuel capacity of 5.6 liters, which is good. So the footrest is of decent size. Here also we get a footrest. It offers a comfortable ride while riding. So the rear footrest are also finished in silver. That's again a nice touch. So here we get hook. Here also we have hook as well. So here we have a storage space. We can keep 1 liter bottle there. That is again a nice touch. So here we get a compartment. So there is a 12 volt charging socket and place to keep our mobile. That is again a nice touch. So here we get a piano black finish with the Suzuki logo, and instrument cluster looks nice. It is all digital, Suzuki written over here. So let's see the instrument cluster. It looks pretty good. So here we get a fuel indicator. Here we get timing, FI written over here. So here we get indicators. This is of fuel injection light. So talking about the handle, Here we get upper and dipper switch. This is for side indicators. Here we get horn, which is loud enough. And the best part is, here we get engine kill switch. When we push this, it is an electric start. So the mirrors are wide enough and it gets a different design, as you can see. So let's get riding. So talking about the engine, it is 124cc and it produces 8.7 PS at 6,750 RPM. There is a 10 Newton meter of torque at 5,500 RPM. So it offers a comfortable riding on bad roads. Brakes offer decent stopping power. The sitting position of this feels a little bit like a cruiser. It gives comfortable riding posture. And seat is also very soft. So it gets telescopic suspension at front and a monoshock at rear. It offers a good ride quality. You can see my legs. It's very comfortable for sitting. You can cruise on this all day long. So the engine feels very sporty and gives instant torque. So the sitting position feels like a sofa on two wheels. So cornering on this feels very confident. Handle feels very comfortable. it gives fuel economy around 50 to 54 km per liter. So it offers good mileage. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below your thoughts about the new Suzuki Bergman BS6. And please ride safe and wear your helmet. See you guys in next video.